Hello everyone and welcome to Philly Crypto Trading Plus. Are you confused by all this price volatility? Are you wondering where price will be next? Well, look no further. You're definitely in the right place. I'm here to help you solve these problems by providing clear, concise, and competent technical analysis. In today's tutorial, we will be covering Cardano. Okay? Specifically, we're going to cover the ascending channels that I think is there, a Fibonacci retracement, the 20-day SMA, and also supports and resistances as well. Now, before we get into the video, please be sure to hit the like, share, subscribe. Smash the like button, please, because it lets YouTube know that you're enjoying the content, right? Now, we're looking right now at the Fibonacci retracement from the top, right? Now, if anybody knows, I always talk for a trader about the 3 to 7%, right? And so you see the top here at $1.49 and then $1.31. That was a huge move. Someone should have been out of there before that happened. Why? Because that's my trading rules and my trading strategy. If you don't understand that, I'm here to help you because I have over 36 years experience doing this. So 3 to 7% trading tolerance means you're already out, right? Solve a problem before it's created, right? That being said, we're going to get to that later. So, ascending parallel channel. Here's the body. Look what happened. Spike down, yes, but channel. I keep talking about this repeatedly, guys. 36 years experience. I'm trying to help you guys out. This is what I'm here to do. So I don't mean to be repetitive, but I do it in my other videos too. And if you don't know that, go back and look at the other videos because you'll see that. So here we go again. Another pattern playing out the same way. So if you notice here real quickly, look at this. Nice base here at 110. If you go back and look at my videos, I don't know how long ago, I think I talked about $1.10. Oh, yes, that's right. Anyway, excuse my sarcasm, but the pullback from the high, Fibonacci retracements, right? Bitcoin and Ethereum pulled back to the 0.5 retracements. Here, a little more. Altcoin, right? A little more. Pulled actually a spike down almost to 0.618. However, 0.5, 109. Oh, penny off of what I said before. What? This is not a coincidence. So, but the base, 110. Oh, that's right. There's no accident there. So, guys, you got to get it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back and watch the videos. Okay? Listen, this is 36 years experience talking. I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. If you don't understand it, go back and watch the videos because time is an amazing thing. Because when you see where you were 2 months ago and you see where you're at now and you start seeing the facts and the proof, the facts don't lie. That being said, real quickly, the 20 SMA. Notice here how, yes, we spiked down, but back above again. Now, these blue lines that I pointed out for you guys, right? I just put some supports and resistances for you. So this is level hold right now, which is about $1. Again, the same dollars. 94 cents would be below that. And then again, the 71 cent area, right? So if we were to have an extreme pullback, these are the levels that you should be looking at, okay? However, this is more important right now. Now, I've covered this before. I'm going to say it again. The channel. We could come out of the channel. It's possible. Anything's possible. However, we usually will come back into the channel if that was to occur. I don't even know that's going to occur. However, that's why we watch. Because each day is a chapter to the story. So, the 0.5 pullback of the Fibonacci retracement, $1.09. The $1.10 I talked about repeatedly. Go back and watch my videos because there's a method to my madness. Okay? Now, with that in mind, I want to turn this video over to you guys. I want to ask you, are you a holder of Cardano? And are you a trader or a holder? And do you own some? That's what I want to know, guys. Because I own this. I want to know if you do. Okay? So please enter your comments down below. Are you a holder? Are you a trader? Do you own some Cardano? That's what I want to know. Okay. With that in mind, guys, please make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos because I'm here for you. Also, the more subscribers that we get, the better and more content I can continue to make. So please like, share, and subscribe. Now, if you want to learn more, please be sure to watch this next video.